And after that, maybe we should have a vision. Yeah, where we are heading. At this moment, uh, you have to, like, of course, like I have to have a vision for myself, of course. But after that, that vision will be influenced to their all members.
So, regarding the first question, a
Mhm.
lot of IT managers never dreamed about being a CEO. So, regarding you, what are the top seven skills which help build you to become a CEO today?
Okay. Because I was thinking, before this, I got this question, and I thinking about the seven skills, but I actually spend many hours, but I was thinking just five skill. Is this okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. I think the most important things is be honest and ask whatever I need help, and whatever I don't understand, uh, because I think a startup is like a complex, uh, uh, how can I say, like complex organization, because if you can do everything by yourself, you can just start your small business, whatever. If you're good at IT, you can start a small business like your own shop for the IT or something like this. Yeah, but of course, I don't know about marketing. I don't know about engineering so far. I don't know about sales. I don't know about general anatomy or something like this. So always I need the help from the members. So that's why I need to be honest. Okay, Ling, I don't understand about this. Could you tell me about this? This is very important for their CEO. Yeah, and the second things is curiosity. You know, because maybe some people see the same scenery, same things happening. Every day, these things is happening, and everyone see that. But how everyone thinks is different. Maybe you feel it's like ordinary, but maybe I feel it's not. It's strange. It's not ordinary. It should not be like this. So this is the beginning of the curiosity. Why this is happening, every day, and why nobody thinks about this. This is a curiosity, and we can see the issues, and there maybe that's the issues we have to challenge to fix. This is a curiosity. Yeah, and after that, maybe we should have a vision. Yeah, where we are heading, at this moment. uh, you have to like, of course, like I have to have a vision for myself, of course. But after that, that vision will be influenced to their all members. Yeah. So vision, actually our company, we have a lot of talent, much smarter than me, you know yeah. But I'm the one who has a strong vision. So this is CEO have to have it. This is a vision. And the fourth things is fairness, because you want to have an organization, you want to have a teams. Yeah, uh, I feel fairness is very very important. Okay? I cannot treat a Miss A is good. I don't like a Mr. B. Something like this. We need to have a standard rules. Yeah, and the high quality of the fairness. So as a CEO, I try to be fair 100%. And I always tell the reason, and whenever I didn't tell the reason to them, for this judgment, they have a right to ask me or ask managers. why it's happening like this. They can say it's not fair. Can you tell me the reason? You know, this is the fairness I have to have. Yeah. And the last things is commitment. Maybe we can say promise. You know, uh, as a CEO, I promise something to the members. So if I promise, I have to keep 100%, even I'm sick or like something happened. I got the accident, I was hit by the bike, even though I have to commit whatever I promised to the members. And I hope member will be the same for this. Yeah, this is the five things. Yeah.
All right, thank you for your answer. And I could tell that you have a lot of experiences with leadership because I've also been there and done that with my even with my school projects.
Oh.
I could relate a lot with your points. And
Mm-hmm.
I hope I'm not even a CEO, but it's nice to hear the encouragement that and the motivation that you're also experiencing similar things that, us people
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
are I'm so bad. I'm so sorry. Are
No, it's okay.
are experiencing too. Okay.